Wild, di ba? Yes, that's why they are easily caught and eaten. But don't worry, some of our animals are designed to blend into their nature and to be nearly invisible. And that is what we call camouflage. Alright. Now, speaking of camouflage, I have a very good example right here on the stage. So have you seen it? How about in this side? Have you seen any animal? There's a frog, but it's not real, di ba? How about in the middle? Hindi po ako. There's another one. Wala? A lizard. Okay, hindi yan totoo. How about on the other side? Actually, kanina pa nandyan. Wala, teka natin yung tunay yan. So our major friend here is a Philippine Stops Owl, and his name is George. His name is George. And there's another one. This one is Maximus. And so Maximus is a Philippine Eagle Owl. Okay. Kung sa Tagalog, tinatawag silang Mago. Alright. And they are nocturnal, that means they are more active during night. They have amazing eyesight that they can catch a meal even in complete darkness. And they have a specialized feathers, just like this, that help them muffle their sound. So in short, they can fly silently. So they can catch their prey more easily. Galing, di ba? And lastly, can you guess how many degrees can owls rotate their heads? How many degrees? None? 180. 270. Ay, 360. Patay yun, patay. Okay. So owls can rotate their heads for up to 270 degrees only. Hindi po 360, exorcist na po yun. Okay, so how about a big hand for George and Maximus? Thank you so much, parents. Okay. Now, I have a puzzle for you. What has a face like a cat, a body like a bear, a long bushy tail, and smells like a buttered popcorn? I'm here. Huwag ka magalit. Well, the answer is right above your head. And that is Luna. Now, Luna is a binturong, or also known as a bear cat. Yes, a bear cat. Now, as you can see, he moves quite easy on that vine, and he can hang using his tail. And that tail calls for handsome. Okay, mag-iabot na tayo, ha? He eats all kinds of fruits, leaves, very small animals, and even eggs. So in short, they are omnivores. Now, binturong, sa wala to say, they chuckle when happy. A high-pitched wail if they're annoyed. They will howl, grunt, and hiss.